The topic that I chosen is the internet. Nowadays, internet is very important, especially we're in a pandemic. Internet is the best way for us to communicate. Here are the content of the topic. The internet, types of network, what makes internet works, internet equipment, internet connection. The internet is the biggest worldwide communication network of computers. The internet has millions of smaller domestic, academic, business, and government networks, which together carry many different kinds of information. Here, here are the example photos of an internet. We have remote web server, PC, notebook, netbook, smartphone, iPad, database, and remote desktop. There are three types of computer network. First, local area network or LAN. A LAN connects network device over a relatively short distance. Metropolitan area network or MAN. A metropolitan area network or MAN is a large computer network that usually spans a city or a large campus. Next, wide area network or WAN. A WAN covers a large geographic area such as country, continent, or even whole of the world, geographically dispersed collection of lands. Internet access. To gain access to the internet, the user has to register to any internet services provider or ISP. Types of internet connection. We have dial-up, integrated services digital network, asymmetric digital subscriber line, wireless internet connection, and internet over satellite. Dial-up. It is slower than other type of connection. Connects through existing phone lines using dial-up modem. Cheapest. Must dial-up to connect to internet and disconnect when done. Cannot use internet and phone line at the same time. Digital subscriber line or DSL. Faster than dial-up connection. Connects through phone lines but does not require phone service. Always on. Internet and phone can be used in the same time and available in many locations. Cable. Faster than dial-up and DSL. Use cable connection. Always on. Only available where cable is available. Satellite. Faster than dial-up but data is delayed. Connect via satellites. Can be affected by rain and snow. Does not require phone lines and cables. Can be anywhere around the world. Internet access, we have 3G, 4G, and 5G. Available for mobile phones, computers, and tablets. Connects wirelessly through 3G or 4G or 5G provider. Can access internet anywhere. Slower than DSL and cable connection. Choosing internet service provider. Below are some things to consider as your research ISPs. Speed, price, ease of installation, service record, technical support, and contact terms. How internet works. Because the internet is global network of computers, each computer connected to the internet must have a unique address. Internet requirement. Computer with modem or router or network card. Internet account with ISP. Application software. Web browser. Email client. Plug-in software and optional. Internet usages. Communication, send and receive emails, download files, post your opinion to a news group, chatting, surf the World Wide Web, business, shopping, entertainment. Internet applicants. Internet application is an interactive compiled application that can be accessed through a corporate or through the internet. Internet applications. The World Wide Web or www, electronic mail or email, file transfer protocol or FTP, search engine, chatting, video conferencing, and e-commerce. World Wide Web or www. The World Wide Web is a system of interlink hypertext documents accessed via the Internet. A uniform resource locator or URL is the address of a document you'll find on the www. The elements in a URL. Protocol: /server's address / file name. Example: http://www.google.com/index.html. There are two types of website. First, static. Static website is one that has web pages stored on the server in the format that is sent to a client web browser. It is primarily coded in hypertext markup language or HTML. Second is dynamic. A dynamic website is one that changes or customizes itself frequently and automatically based on certain criteria. Electronic mail or email, the transmission of messages over communications networks. Basic email functions: send and receive mail messages, save your messages in a file, print mail messages, reply to mail messages, attach a file to mail. Email address: someone at mail server. The email address has parts: a username, an @ sign, the address of the user's mail server. Email client. An email client is a computer program used to manage users' email. Popular email clients include Microsoft Outlook, Pegasus Mail, Mozilla's Thunderbird, and Apple INC's Mail or Mail. Web-based mail is an email service invented to be primarily accessed via a web browser. Very popular web mail providers: Gmail, Yahoo Mail, Hotmail. File Transfer Protocol or FTP. To do FTP, a user invokes one of two commands. First, get, the command for transferring a file from your computer to another one. Second, put, the command for moving a file from your computer to another one. Search engine. A search engine is designed to search for information of the Internet. Examples are Bing and Google. Chatty is the other method of Internet conversation. Example: Skype, FB Messenger, WhatsApp Messenger, Google Duo, or Hangouts. Video conferencing. A video conference or video conference is a set of interactive telecommunication technologies which allow two or more locations to interact via two-way video and audio transmission simultaneously. The other components required for a video conferencing system include video input and output, audio input and output, data transfer, computer. Examples: Zoom, Skype for Business, and Slack. The last one is e-commerce. Electronic commerce or e-commerce consists of the buying and selling of products or services over electronic systems such as the Internet and other computer networks. Some common applicants related to electronic commerce are the following: domestic and international payment of systems, group buying, automated online assistance, online shopping and order tracking, online banking, shopping cart software, and electronic tickets. That's all. Thank you.